Imagine. Could you imagine if Jesus came back while you on top of your girl while she is calling your name? Could you imagine if Jesus came back while you are in the middle of one of your videos pointing the middle finger? Imagine him coming while you are puffing on a blunt in the midst of your friends and family? Could you imagine him coming while you are in the studio taking nudie pictures for your new money making career? Could you imagine if Jesus came back while you was writing lies on the application to get the job? Could you imagine him showing up while you topless at the picnic for the spring break back? Could you imagine Jesus showing up while you giving oral sex in the backseat of your mom and dad's car? Could you imagine Jesus returning while you're stealing rims in the stereo from your home? Could you imagine if he came while you are gossiping with your friends about someone who told you keep it a secret? Could you imagine Jesus coming back while you're cursing at someone who cut you off on the road? Could you imagine if Jesus came back while you're backing that thing up in the club letting the guys feel on your body? Imagine if Jesus came back while you're sipping on your gin before you get up and preach to the congregation? Imagine Jesus showing up while you're cheating on your husband or your wife in your own house? Could you imagine if he came while you was beating on your son cause he made you mad one day? Could you imagine if Jesus came back while you was dumping your baby in a trash can? Could you imagine Jesus coming from the sky while you were at the Jerry Springer show? You know. Could you imagine if he came while you're hating on another person because of the race or background? Could you imagine if he showed up while you burning crosses at the Ku Klux Klan rally? Could you imagine if he came while you were tricking people into giving more money to your ministry? Could you imagine if Jesus came back while you was forcing someone else to have sex without consent? Could you imagine if he came while you were fondling with little kids in the neighborhood? Could you imagine? Would you understand if it was you? What would he see? Could you imagine
Jesus coming back? Didn't expect him. Called in the act. Doing something that you
shouldn't do.
Well, I'm letting you know
it can happen to you. Happen to you. Happen to you.
Grande, sta sparando! Guardala, guarda che disegno!